Golf Tango India, wind 170 degrees from 0 knots, gusting 21, runway 26, clear to land.
Clear land, Tango India.
Very nicely done, sir.
The trouble is I'm too short. I'm always too short. But
I'll go down a bit.
no, that's fine. So we're here. We're
Yeah.
Oostend. It's what, about 12:15 or?
Yeah, it's 10 to 1 UK time, so 10 to 2 local time.
And we've just done an IFR flight. It was really interesting out of Biggin. Took us just about the hour, didn't it?
Yeah, about an hour.
And a straightforward procedure, no hold or anything.
No, straight radar vectors onto the ILS for 2.6 and straight down to 2.6 with quite a crosswind actually.
Yeah, very strong crosswind. The interesting thing is the marshaller, you can probably see, well it's not actually the marshaller. The marshaller then went off and did something else, but the chap behind us has told us that he can't take us to the terminal building. We're going to have to wait for the marshaller to come back in the minibus, but I think he's actually standing there or sitting there watching what we're doing.
Yes,
so
just to make sure we don't get into anything naughty.
Yeah, that was a very enjoyable flight. Well, that's the first stage of arrivals done. I don't know, I've never been swabbed like that before. But, yeah, apparently it's explosives. Yeah.
All to myself.
Now we can go to the beach. Okay, I might do just before we go out.
Not to put too fine a point on.
Okay.
You will be familiar.
Yeah, I'll just do across the road because it has been a very short walk, really, hasn't it? From the yeah.
We'll cross over here when we can.
That's the beach and a half.
Yeah, that is one sunny beach.
De sécurité, les bagages abandonnés seront enlevés et détruits. For security reasons, baggage left unattended will be removed and destroyed.
Sorry about that.
Hi there.
How are you?
Yay. Got some bad weather coming up?
Sorry?
Got some bad weather coming up?
Yes, yes. there's always some...
You guys need fuel?
No, thanks.
No, oh, okay.
Golf Mike Oscar Tango India, Oostend ground.
Golf Mike Oscar Tango India, DR5 friend on your field, request VFR back to Biggin Hill, 2 persons on board, information Golf.
Golf Tango India, startup is approved, information Golf valid QNH 1008.
1008 Tango India. This is what we've got. Yeah, this is one nice long taxiway.
It does look. Yeah.
There you got another nice crosswind again.
Yeah. You certainly don't have any problem with visibility, do you? On on the ground, looking over the nose and everything.
It's really good.
Golf Tango India, report ready on tower 118.175.
118.175 Tango India. Tower, Golf Mike Oscar Tango India with you.
Golf Tango India, roger, report ready. And what is the requested altitude after departure?
2,000 feet will suit us very well if that's okay with you, Tango India.
Golf Tango India, roger. Golf Tango India, wind 220 degrees on 6 knots, runway 26, cleared for takeoff to follow the coastline 1,000 feet.
Clear to take off and up to 1,000 feet to the coastline, Tango India. Right, you okay, sir?
Yep, fine. Yep. Bill. Quite a sporting crosswind.
Yes. A little bump there at one stage. Right, we're likely to go through a bit of rain.
Yep.
But hopefully the light stuff. This is what we've got at the moment.
Yeah.
So we're going to go across there.
And is that absolutely live?
Control request to enter the runway via
It's
Alpha.
15 minutes old.
De control enter the runway via Alpha.
Naar controle is entering de runway, dank u wel.
I still get very amazed at how you can be, I don't know, 30 miles, 40 miles difference, yet the field patterns, as soon as you get back to UK, are so much different to the continent, aren't they?
Well, I dare say I'd never thought of it, but...
Golf Tango India, contact Coxhead, approach 121.050, bye-bye.
121.050, bye-bye. Coxhead approach, Golf Mike Oscar Tango India at 1,000 feet.
Golf Mike Oscar Tango India, Coxhead approach. Identified radio information service provided, altimeter 1008.
1008, Golf Tango India.
Crossing CTR Coxside at 1000 is approved and report leaving CTR in the west.
Transit at 1000 approved and report leaving CTR in the west, and if you could let us know when we're clear to climb to 2000, Tango India.
2000 is approved.
Okay, we climb 2000, Tango India. Wow, you see the good wind sounds?
Yeah.
2200, go down. Yeah. Golly, look at that. It's not difficult to see how ships can get wrecked on those.
Do they have seals on the sand?
I've no idea.
Looks as if there's a whole lot of seals lying on them.
May well be. Oh, get a good old wash. Wonderful. Things down. Oh, I know all this area so well. We used to live around here.
Did you? Yeah. It's a very comfortable position, this. You can just sit and just
Good afternoon. Go Charlie, Bravo Hotel, 4 basic.
Yeah, I mean overall I'm very pleased with this machine. It's a lovely phase.
From Great Oakley.
The performance is acceptable if not sparkling. But the thing is, this can do things that a Cirrus can't do.
Right.
I mean, this can go into a grass strip, a short field.
Yeah.
This can carry a lot of people and a lot of luggage. Okay, Cirrus is 20 knots faster, but that's about it, really.
Yeah.
I mean, with the iPad and the gizmos, I've pretty much got what they've got.
Yeah. Plus the addition of the load carrying. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's Canterbury with the cathedrals going right over the top of it.
Right.
I'll just disconnect the autopilot and
Just a little bit of rain on your side? Well, presumably I've got it on my side as well, but...
yeah. Helps to wash the windows.
Yep.
So just following the A2 back towards London.
Yeah.
So what we can do is put a 9 and 9 at 8 in the on there, and we can drop it down, and we can keep an eye out for the Spitfire. Golf Tango India, 3 miles dead side.
Golf Tango India, report downwind.
Report downwind, Tango India.
Is that a you visual?
I am now. We'll let him go ahead of us. He costs a lot more to run an hour than we do.
Yeah.
And turning downwind with a Spitfire in sight.
Golf Tango India, report final number 2.
Report final number 2, Tango India. So there he goes, swooping in. Right, so he's well in, so we can go around.
He's down.
Okay, so pitch fully fine and the coast down lock, P's and P's are green, mags on both master switches are on, harness seat and hatches, reds,
Bravo vacate by 11.
blues, greens, full flap.
Golf Tango India, land after the Spitfire, wind 110 degrees, 5 knots.
Land after the Spitfire, Tango India. Doing a Spitfire style curved approach here now.
Yeah, good one.
I'm inspired.
Not used to landing lights, you know.
Or an ILS. There you go.
Oh, right, okay.
Golf Tango India, vacate right, Delta 3 for the main apron.
Delta 3 for the main, Tango India.
A Biggin approach, good afternoon, it's Trident 02.
Trident 02, Biggin approach, good afternoon, pass your message.
Hi there, Trident 02, twin squirrel helicopter out of Battersea for Deanland Airfield in East Sussex, just overhead Croydon at 1300 feet, currently 1005. For basic service, we'll be passing down your eastern side, remaining clear of the ATZ and Kenley.
Trident 02, basic service, QNH 1007, squawk 7047.
7047 1007, thanks, Trident 02.
On the precision marshaller here.
Yeah.
Yes, he likes it how he likes it. That's it, very good. Cool. So that's that. Close it down.
Where did you build it? In the back garden.
Seven's a good plane.